This video is about container orchestration. So, getting familiar with containers, a container is a standard unit of software that contains the application code and all its dependencies so that the application can be quickly transferred from one computing environment to another. Containers require container images to run themselves. This container image is a lightweight standalone application, which is an executable package of software which includes everything which is needed to run that application. Multiple containers can run upon the same machine and share the OS kernel with other containers also. The container image file is executed by a container runtime. Container orchestration is required to effectively manage the complexity of the container lifecycle. A single application which is deployed across a few containers, like about 10 to 12 containers, can be run and managed easily, but most of the applications in the enterprise may run across more than thousands of containers, making it very difficult to be managed and scaled manually. Here, container orchestration is necessary as it automates the activities like provisioning, deployment, scaling, networking, load balancing, and maintaining the container health. If you want to perform container orchestration over a container orchestrator like Kubernetes, initially a YAML or a JSON file has to be configured according to the configuration of the application, and then the containers can be deployed across multiple clusters. A single cluster consists of a master node and several worker nodes. These worker nodes are coordinated by the master node, and we can take an example of a microservices architecture like a e-commerce website where there are several services like the front end, the back end, shopping cart, or customer login, and so on. So here these services, whenever there is a heavy traffic over a single service, they can be scaled by adding more and more of worker nodes. And the worker node consists of the pod. The pod holds one or more containers upon it, and these containers can also be scaled, or the faulty containers can be replaced, recreated, and as many containers can be deployed as per the requirement. So there are several benefits of the container orchestration, like increased productivity, reduced overhead, faster deployment, scaling, security, and error recovery. Container orchestration tools provide a framework for managing containers and microservices architectures at scale. There are several popular container orchestration tools like Amazon Elastic Container Service, Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, and many more. So Kubernetes is one of the most on-demand container orchestration platform. It is a part of the Cloud Native Foundation project, and Kubernetes helps to deploy and scale containers and multiple clusters across multiple hosts. And these clusters can also be deployed on private, public, and hybrid clouds. Thus, Kubernetes is an ideal platform for hosting the cloud-native applications that require rapid scaling. Thank you for watching.